Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a water filter faucet. There was a tricky bit with the hose and the faucet having different sizes, and I'll show you how I fixed that. But the first thing you need to do is switch off the water from either the main tap or under the sink, one of the filter taps. Now I'm going to show you the new faucet that I purchased online. So this is the one that I purchased online. It's a new one. It looks pretty stylish. The knobs look stylish as well. It's chrome plated, roughly $20. And this is the existing one in the background. You'll see it, and that's the one that is leaking. It also comes with all these connectors and nuts. So let me get started. I'll show you under the sink. Let me open the cupboard. I'll move these baskets out of the way. Okay, so that's the existing one. There's the nuts there. Just need to remove those two nuts, one at the top and one at the bottom. So the one at the bottom disconnects the hose, and the one at the top basically disconnects the unit from the top and the nut. So you just need to use a wrench and remove it. There's all those spacers and all those rubber grommets. So once you've untightened, you can use your fingers to just keep turning it until it's near the bottom. Then you need to remove the nut and the tube. So once you remove the tube, there you go, some water spilling out, and that's okay. Just make sure you wipe it dry. So once all this is removed, you can pull the old faucet from the top, and you'll just see the hole. There you go. So just leave the blue hose at the bottom. Now remove the old faucet. Just going to put it here in the basin. And if you look at the location where the old faucet was, there is a little bit of dirt. So I'm just going to antibacterial wipe just to remove all that dirt at the top. So once you've cleaned it, give it a good clean, and it's ready to go, you can install the new one. Just making sure I've removed all the dirt, so it's nice and clean now. There's a little bit of dirt there, so insert the new one. So the knob, I'm putting it on the left hand side. That's how the new one looks like. Looks good. Now you got to go to the bottom and just tighten it. So use the knobs that came with the actual faucet. This one is just a black plastic one with these wings at the bottom. Just need to keep turning it and just make sure it's pretty tight. Just use it, make it finger tight. You don't need any wrenches or anything like that, as long as the top doesn't swivel. So just keep tightening it. Make sure it's very tight until you cannot turn it anymore. There you go. Now what I'm going to show you is the old connection. So this is the old connection. As you can see, the hose fits perfectly inside the bottom part of the faucet. So this just goes in directly. However, the new faucet, the hole is not big enough to insert the hose. So what you need to do is just make sure you've got enough slack. I've also got the nut here at the bottom. Just going to pull it all the way up. So you need to get something called a joiner. And what this does, it joins and makes sure that the hose and the new faucet, the inlet, are joined together. So just let me show you what it looks like. This is the joiner. It's 1/4 inch or 6mm. Just got to make sure you get the right size. So if you just, all you need to do is just push it all the way in, push it in until it doesn't go in any further. And then if you pull it back, what it does, it locks it in. So if you push it back, you can't remove the actual hose. You need to press this little clip. That's right. So push it back in. So it's all the way in. So this is the little clip. All you need to do if you want to remove it is to press on it and pull it out. For the other end, just push it all the way in, and there it's locked in. As you can see, as I'm tugging it, it's all locked in. And just make sure you turn the water back on. Just gonna do that, and then test the new faucet. So I'm just gonna turn on the water on, and there you go. No more leak. And the new faucet. So it looks perfect. It looks good. And here we go. If this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.